Hello and welcome. This is Walid. In this video, I will show you how to add a free WhatsApp widget on your WordPress website. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm now in my computer screen. This is my website dashboard. I know you guys know how to log in your dashboard. So first you have to add a plugins. Just hover on plugins, then click add new. For WhatsApp chat widget, we will use join chat plugins. Just simply search on join chat. Here we go. This is the plugin. Simply install it and activate it. When you activate the plugins, then you can see at the top, go to setting button. Also you can see left bottom, here is the join chat buttons. Simply click on join chat. Then we have to add our telephone number here. First we have to select country. My country is Bangladesh and my phone number. Okay, perfect. You can test the number here. Like when someone click, then you can see this is my WhatsApp. Okay, so you can customize your message, you can customize or you can upload images. I think you don't need to upload custom image. You can set a position on your screen, left or right. I think right is okay. You can customize the button text. Also you can customize the theme color. There have a dark mode option. So simply save the changes. When you saved it with this information, simply reload your website, wait a 3 seconds, and here we go. Our WhatsApp button widget is done. When visitor click on let's chat, then it will redirect to message option. Just simply open the WhatsApp, then visitor can messaging with you. That's it. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe. Also comment below and tell me what topic video do you want to see on my channel. I will try to make the video based on my audience request. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.